Good morning, friends, students. Today, for class 10th physics first chapter, turning force, we'll deal with this chapter. Okay. Now, from the studying from class 6th onwards, we had studied about force. What do you understand by the term force? What is a force? A simple definition. What is a force? Force is a push or pull. What we had studied in the small classes. Force, it is a push or pull. What we had studied, push or pull. For an example, pulling a door or shut it, pulling a wheelbarrow, kicking a football. These are some forces what we are applying. So what is the definition of force? It is a push or pull. Force can change shape, size, direction, which change body, rest to motion, motion to rest. Okay, so what is force? Force is a push or pull which can change shape, size, direction, a body from rest to motion and motion to rest. This is known as force. Force are two types. First is contact force and second is non-contact force. We'll deal with the contact force. The force which involves physical contact between the object. Okay, the force which involves physical contact, rubbing this between the objects is known as force. What we are applying? Force. Okay. Contact force which involve physical contact. Which involve physical contact between the object. Non-contact force which does not involve physical contact between the object is known as non-contact force. Okay. Now, got it? What is force? It is a push or pull which can change shape, size, direction, body rest to motion and motion to rest. And there are two types of forces, contact force and non-contact force, which involve physical contact between the object and which does not involve physical contact between the object. So this is a real meaning of a force. Now we'll discuss about the types about the force. Okay. Now force on a rigid body and non-rigid body. All of you are familiar with this rigid body and non-rigid body. Rigid means hard. Let us know about the hard. When we are applying force on rigid body, what happens? There will be no change in shape, size and structure. We can say structure. But when we are applying force on non-rigid body, there will be change in shape, size and structure. Got it? Okay, now rigid body, when we are applying force on rigid body, means hard body, there will be no change in shape, size and structure. Non-rigid body, there will be change in shape, size and structure. Okay, when we are applying force on rigid body, what happens? Force on rigid body, a motion will happen, means the body will move. Two types of motion will be there: rotational or translational. Will be more. It means that when we are applying force in any rigid body, it will rotate or it will move in a straight way. It will rotate or it will move in a straight way. So we will discuss about this topic, rotational and translational या linear motion. When we applying force on rigid body, what happens? It will move, it will rotate or it will move in a straight line. Okay, got it? Now, for example, we'll take for example when we apply force on rigid body. Suppose a body is pivoted. When a body is pivoted means fixed, and a force is applied. So what happens? It will start rotating. When body is fixed and when we are applying force, it will start rotating. When body is not fixed or not pivoted, it means if you are applying force, it will not rotate. Yeah? So when we are applying force on rigid body, what happens? Two types of motion will happen, rotatory or translatory. And when the body is fixed, pivoted, when we are applying force, it will start rotating. And when it is not fixed, then it will not. Okay. Then we will discuss another topic in the next.